Sportsman's Guide. We're at the 2024 SHOT Show looking at all the great new products out there for the shooters, hunters, outdoor enthusiasts. I am with Jared from Wheeler. And for the AR-15 enthusiast, the AR-15 owner, Wheeler has some great products, and you've really created a couple of really cool kind of ultimate kits, which is exactly what they're called.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I mean, we made gunsmithing for over 2 decades now.
Right.
And so right now, what you're gonna see here in our new armors kits that we have out this year is just some of the newer products that we've come out in recent years that we wanted to include in a newer kit.
Put everything together.
Right, so now you're gonna see here is the first one we have is the AR-15 armors kit. It's gonna retail for $279.99. It's gonna be out this summer. And what it is, you're gonna get the beam torque wrench, you're gonna get our professional armors kit wrench, and our action rod.
Okay.
And then up here, you're going to see just some of the other tools. We have our, our roll pin sets, our hammer, and then our vice blocks. And it's just kind of an all-in-one kit, like you said, to be able to build your AR-15.
And everything is marked. Everything has its, its perfect spot, so you can take this mobile with you.
Oh yeah.
Any place you need to go.
Yeah, it's great for that. I mean, and it's great. It just locks right up. Got nice latches. It's just ready to go for you.
Awesome. Hey, be sure to check this out at the Sportsman's Guide.
Yep.